1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay kids, today we're going to learn about Megalodon. Here's Megalodon. He's jumping over one orange car. Largest known predator in history? Extinct for 2.6 million years? Okay, back to 2. 2. Megalodon is jumping over 2 orange cars. 2. 12,000 pounds? That's a lot. Okay, Megalodon is jumping over 3 cars. 3. Megalodon is jumping over 3 orange cars. Holy cow, Megalodon is 17 feet long. Holy cow. This is the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Megalodon can jump 30 feet in the air? What? Okay, this is number 5. Megalodon is jumping over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. Okay kids, remember to brush your teeth, listen to your parents, just always be good, have fun, and come back. Let us know what you want to see. Hopefully you had fun. Bye.